Greetings everyone. Isn't that was beautiful? The piece, the music, so soothing, huh? Do you want to learn? From today onwards, I am starting with the keyboard classes also, the keyboard tutorials. I have already uploaded the guitar tutorials. I am starting with the keyboard tutorial and the singing tutorials also, the western vocal tutorials also. Whatever the subject you wish to take, please take up, or you are free to learn all three tutorials. If you want to sing, if you want to play the guitar, if you want to play the keyboard, you are free to do that. And remember to come live at 6 p.m. I'll be sharing a Zoom ID or a Gmeet ID password, whatever, and then we'll interact live to each other and we'll discuss the problem faced by you during the rehearsal sessions. Right? So I'm starting with the keyboard basics today, and let's learn. Now this is the electronic keyboard. Can you see? I have this Yamaha model number. This is PSR 160, and if you don't have this model number, doesn't matter, because anyways we are going to learn the keyboard with the piano tone, right? So let me give you a one simple demo of that. When you start the keyboard, you switch on your keyboard. Even if you are having a Casio also, then it's not an issue. So your keyboard is ready. This basic sound is called piano. Can you see? This is called piano. So let's start with the basic class. First you need to learn what are these black and white keys called. Every single key on the keyboard is called notes. Every note has different names so that we can easily recognize while performing our musical piece, right? So let's start with the naming of the notes. Can you see these are 2 black, then 3 black, then 2 black, then 3 black, and so on. So the first 2 blacks, this is the first black with the 2 pairs of black. Just before that the white key is called C. Can you see? It's written here also on my keyboard, and I have written here with the sketch pen. You also write with the sketch pen. So this is called C. Then after called is the note name is D, then E, F, G, A, B, and back to C. Can you see? This note is C here, right? So you need to name the whole keyboard like this with your sketch pen. How will you do it? If we are using the Casio, your notes will start from here, F. And if you are using the Yamaha keyboard, then your notes will start from here, C. Right? So naming of the notes, just write the note names like C, D, E, F, only the white notes, G, A, B, then C, 1. Right here, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, then C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, A1, B1, C2, D2, E2, F2, G2, A2, B2, C3. Got it? So these are the names only of the white notes. Now what are the names of the black notes then? So let's learn the note cycle. What is a note cycle? A note cycle is a combination of 12 notes from C to C. From C to C. So just count the notes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you see? And then again C repeats here. So these are the 12 notes which make one octave. One octave means a one particular sound. Then the same sound is at the higher side and again the same block with C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, right? Then the third octave, then the fourth octave. So this is basically a 4 octave keyboard, right? And Your Casio might be of 2 octaves only because it's a small keyboard, right? So let's start learning the naming of the black notes also. When this is C, and अगर हम one step आगे जाएं, if we'll go one step ahead, that is called name of the previous note along with the sharp. So we'll call it C sharp. Again, this is C and this is just ahead of the C, that is why it is called sharp note, and the name would be C sharp. So if I'll ask you to play C, then you have to press this. If I'll ask you to play C sharp, then you have to play this. Clear? Then again D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B and C. So remember to write the markings as shown in the video. If your keyboard is starting with these 2 black notes, then the first white note is C. If your keyboard is starting with these 3 black notes, then your first note is F, and then continue with F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D likewise. Is it clear? Now, as you all know that the keyboard is played with your left hand and with your right hand. What do we do with your left hand? We play the chords. The chords like, right? So in the next tutorial or maybe in the later tutorials, I'll tell you what are the chords. But before that, I'm going to give you one simple exercise for your left hand and one simple exercise for your right hand. Your right hand plays the melody, the tune of the song, and your left hand plays the chords, the background music and the rhythm. Rhythm is what? See, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Got it? So these are called the patterns, the rhythm patterns, and the notes which we are playing plays a role of the chords. So this is one chord, then this is another chord, and then this is another chord, and back to. Got it? So these are the left hands. So let's start with the left hand. This is a finger practice only on the white notes, right? So how do you do? This is your 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. How do we call it? The finger number 5, 2, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So let's start with the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See my finger coming from above the thumb. 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Got it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Got it? The same goes with the right hand. So let's start with the right hand. This is our right hand. This is 1. This is 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's start with the right hand practice. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From below the pinky. 3, 1, 2, 3. So how do it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 5 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5. Got it? So this is the practice you have to do. So first practice you perform with your left hand and then with your right hand, and then try to combine it, and let's see what practice will you do, and we'll discuss in the evening in the live chat session. So see you in the evening. Practice with your left hand first, then practice with your right hand first, and many a times, at least for 40 to 50 seconds, you practice with your right hand, 40 to 50 seconds practice with your left hand, and then try to combine both the things, like 1 2 3 4 5. See, the fingers are going alternate. Since this is one here and this is one here, so 1 2 3 4 and 5. Got it? Try to do it. See you in the next tutorial, and come live if you are facing any problem, we can discuss. Take care.